Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are going to upstyle some basic paper lampshades. Now this is a great way to jazz up a boring chandelier or a light fixture in your home, and we're going to print the papers on my gel press and apply them with my Xyron Creative Station, two of my favorite tools. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to stop by and say hello. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some paper lampshades.
Let the stars dry for a minute before you add your second layer of paint. I'm using the permanent adhesive cartridge for my Xyron Creative Station for this project. Only peel off about 1/4 of an inch of the backing so that you can position your paper before you stick it to the lampshade. I mixed up the trims on my shades, but if you're a matchy-matchy person, that'll look great too. I'm adding a mix of plastic faceted beads to my chandelier, but you could add some plastic circus animals or pom-poms or even tassels. A little bit of metallic spray paint will make an old chandelier look good as new.
I love my Xyron Creative Station and my gel press, and I'm gonna leave a link to those products in the description below because they are super fun to use. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to press the notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books. I think you'll like them, and I'm going to leave a link below to those as well. And I will see you next week. Bye.